Hello everyone and welcome to Online Rhyme Times. My name is Tariq and I'm your music teacher. Today I'm here for Environment 1 class and Environment 2. So my first song is for Environment 1. Students, please stand up. And first I want to read for you the poem Row your boat. Row your boat gently down the stream. Repeat after me. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Repeat after me. Merrily, life is but a dream. Okay. Raise your hand way up high and wave your hands and arms like this when I start my music. Okay. Row your boat gently down the stream. Do like this. Row your boat gently down the stream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Now it's your turn and sing with me. Row your boat gently down the stream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Very good, clapping. Okay, my next song is for Environment 2 class. Okay, are you ready for rhymes? Okay, Environment 2, stand up and be ready for this rhyme. Hello song. Can you do like this? Hello, and how are you? Hello. And how are you? How are you today? How are you today? You want to sing with me? Okay, join me on the keyboard. Hey, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hey, hello, and how are you today? How are you today? One more time again. Okay. Hey, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hey, hello, and how are you today? Very good. Clapping.